What if I told you that one simple kitchen ingredient sitting right in your home could help with weight management, improve digestion, support blood sugar control, and even boost your overall wellness? Yes, I'm talking about apple cider vinegar. For centuries, people have used it as a natural remedy, and today, modern research is starting to confirm many of its benefits. But here's the truth. Most people either don't use it correctly or don't understand how powerful it can be when used the right way. So in the next few minutes, you're going to learn exactly what apple cider vinegar does inside your body, its real health benefits, and how to take it safely for the best results. Let's get right into it. Apple cider vinegar, often called ACV, is made through a natural fermentation process. Fresh apples are crushed, the juice is extracted, yeast is added, and over time it ferments. First, the sugars turn into alcohol. Then, beneficial bacteria convert that alcohol into acetic acid, the key active compound responsible for most of its health effects. That cloudy substance you sometimes see in raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar is called the mother. It contains enzymes, proteins, and good bacteria that many believe enhance its benefits. Now let's talk about what apple cider vinegar can actually do for your body. One of its most well-known benefits is helping with blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar spikes after meals, especially when eating carbohydrate-heavy foods. This is why many people with blood sugar concerns or insulin resistance find it useful when used correctly. Another major benefit is weight management support. Now let's be clear, apple cider vinegar is not a magic fat burner. It will not melt fat overnight. But what it can do is help you feel fuller for longer. That means you may naturally eat less without struggling too much with hunger. Over time, this can support healthy weight loss when combined with proper diet and exercise. Apple cider vinegar is also widely used for digestive health. Many people report that it helps with bloating, indigestion, and that heavy feeling after meals. It may help increase stomach acidity, which allows your body to break down food more efficiently, especially proteins. For some people, this leads to a more comfortable digestion process and less discomfort after eating. There's also growing interest in its possible heart health benefits. Some research suggests that apple cider vinegar may help lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels in certain individuals. It may also support healthier blood pressure levels as a part of a balanced lifestyle. However, it's important to understand it works best as a support tool, not a replacement for medical treatment or healthy habits. Another interesting benefit is its antimicrobial properties.
Apple cider vinegar has been traditionally used for cleaning, preserving food, and even fighting certain bacteria. While it is not a substitute for medicine, it does show natural antibacterial effects that make it useful in both health and household applications. And yes, even your skin and hair can benefit. When properly diluted, apple cider vinegar is sometimes used as a skin toner or hair rinse. It may help balance skin pH, reduce buildup on the scalp, and support a cleaner, fresher feel. But again, dilution is extremely important to avoid irritation. Now, before you rush to start using it, listen carefully to this warning. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic. If you take it undiluted, it can damage your tooth enamel, irritate your throat, and upset your stomach. So it must always be diluted. Also, if you have conditions like acid reflux, ulcers, or you're taking medication for diabetes or potassium balance, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional before making it a daily habit. So how do you actually take it the right way? The most common and safest method is simple. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons or up to 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and mix it into a full glass of water. You can drink it once or twice a day, depending on how your body responds. Many people prefer taking it before meals because it may help with appetite control and digestion. Others take it in the morning as part of their routine. If the taste is too strong, you can add a little honey or lemon to make it easier to drink. You can also use apple cider vinegar in salad dressings or food recipes as a more natural way to include it in your diet. But remember this, more is not better. Taking too much can cause side effects like low potassium levels or stomach irritation. Consistency, not excess, is what matters. So at the end of the day, apple cider vinegar is not a miracle cure, but it is a powerful natural tool that can support your health when used correctly. It works best when combined with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and good lifestyle habits. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more health tips like this. See you in the next one.